find my way out. Need more than shoveling with spades just to dig my arse out. I guess that's why I'm gifted with the flow, with performance at a show to the crowd. Scream my name out. See the difference between me, I'm not a certified slouch. Sitting on the couch when my career fades out. I'm getting off my arse, believe me, I'm on my craft. Cause I believe business first and cash out. I like it when the women see me and mash out with them double D's, oh yes indeed, they going down. They always wanna show the Krome love. There ain't no kisses in the hugs, there ain't no ducks in the tub, they like it raw. They ain't messing with the way that I drive. They can't mess the way I roll it up and get high. You can't mess the way I put it down and write it in my lines. Definitely you can't mess the way the bloody Krome shines. They're not messing with mine. They can't mess with mine. No, they can't mess with mine. They can't mess with mine. No, they're not messing with mine. They can't mess with mine, cause they're not messing with the way that the Krome grinds. They can't mess with mine. They can't mess with mine. No, they can't mess with mine. They can't mess with mine. No, they're not messing with mine. They can't mess with mine. No, they're not messing with the way that the Krome grinds. Shit.